How you keeping? I'm going to show you how to change the fan belt of this Toyota Yaris. It's a 001 litre engine. We're going to replace the fan belt today, and I'm going to try and show you the most efficient way to get it done. So let's go for it. You're first going to need a 12mm spanner. That bolt there. Go to the left, yeah, right there. So once you loosen that there, a 10mm, and you loosen this long screw. So just loosen this here, I'll show you. That's a bolt. Now see, loose. You want to just fully remove this bracket. It connects to the alternator, so once you remove this, just pull the nut. Sound that? So that's the alternator, that's the bolt you want to loosen. So I'm pretty sure it's a 14. So lads, what you need is a 14. So you stick it there. You get your ratchet. Lads, did you hear that? It's turning. Now, there you go. All you do is once it's loose there, just slip it off. Easy as that. No. That's fine. Next step, lads, I'm going to explain. It's very important. This is the vital part. Now, that's your belt. It's now stuck. You can't take it off. So there's only one way. You can either cut it, but if you cut it, how will you put the new one in? So the best way to do it is, that's the engine mount. There's 2 bolts on top, and there's 1 bolt on the bottom. So you remove these 2 bolts on top. The first thing you do is you get your jack, you get a plank of wood, and you jack up the engine. So lads, so all you do is get your jack, plank of wood, right. Now, so all you do is bring it up a small bit. Now, enough. By me jacking the engine, I take the pressure off the bolt. Now, have more leverage. Now, 2 are loose, and there's 1 more in the bottom. So I'm going to show you how to loosen that as well. Yeah, so basically the bolt is right there. That's the bottom of the mount. So you want to loosen that bolt up there. So what you probably want is a size 14. We're off now. That's the nut that was in the bottom, so got it off as well. Now as you can see, it's loose. Next step is to lower the engine. So you want to be very, very careful here now. That you lower the engine with your jack very slowly. Take your time. Make sure that it's very safe and stable. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Lower it, small bit. So all you do now, lads, is you raise the engine back up to make sure it's in line with the mount, and then just put the bolts back in same way as they came out. That the bolt is in line with the engine, and just slowly raise it back up. Same time making sure that it's going up straight. There you go. It's in the hole. Now that. Keep raising it. Now look at that. Perfect. Make sure that it's straight. Oh, perfect. The first step is you just put the bolts back. Nicely. Now, lads, so just double check everything the same way as you got it. See it? Now, so as you're doing it, just keep checking the tension of the belt. Tight, yeah, that's perfect. Fairly happy with that now. fairly happy. Perfect. Now just double check. Fairly happy with that. Now lads, that's just done. So all you do now is put the wheel back on, put the throttle cable back, stick it back on. There, on. Perfect. Done and dusted lads. Best of luck.